everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while. It's just been hectic, okay? Today I'm here with something exciting, and we are in a similar setup to like when I'm doing the hair videos and stuff. I just wanted something a little more cozy, comfortable, and more realistic to what it's like when I'm actually getting ready. I don't have the full like setup and everything when I am getting ready. This is kind of where I sit. Before we get into it, I just want to thank Merit for sponsoring this video. I have worked with Merit in the past, a few videos down if you want to go see that. They are a vegan and cruelty-free brand. They focus on making recyclable packaging. Their products are safe for sensitive skin and for your body. Yeah, they're such a really good brand. They also focus on like minimalistic beauty, less is more type of thing, which I really do appreciate, because usually my everyday makeup, it's very minimal. So Merit did send me some goodies. If you remember in my last video with them, they did send me a like lip gloss, lip oil type thing, which looks like this. So up till now, this is the only lip product they had. It's like a lip gloss. It's really nice. It's tinted. I really liked it. It's very hydrating on your lips. But you know, you always want a lipstick, and they actually did come out with a really nice range of lipsticks. They did send me 2, so we're gonna be playing with those today. They are lightweight, buildable satin finish. They're clean, cruelty-free, and vegan, of course. So these 2 shades are in Cabo and Slip. So this, oh no, because the packaging is beautiful. Like, okay, so these are the boxes. You remember the nice blue packaging? Their packaging for their lipstick, like, come on, this is beautiful. I don't even care about the shade anymore. Like this is amazing. Oh my gosh. So this one is in Slip, so it's a nice, look at this, brown. This is beautiful. So it does have that satin, very hydrating, moisturizing lip. So it's not gonna be like overpowering. Get over the packaging, like it's beautiful. And this one is Cabo. This one is Slip and this one is Cabo. It's really nice. I'm gonna try to mention the products because this is more of like a get ready with me. It's not exactly a tutorial, but I will mention what I am using. Also, update on my skincare. If you follow me on TikTok, I actually did post a few months ago my whole skincare regimen. It was pretty extensive. I was kind of panicking because my skin was just acting up. Like, I don't even know what was going on. It was just like a new breakout like every single day, or I will wake up and I'll have like 3 more, and I was like using all these products and stuff that were supposed to be helping, and they just weren't. So I bought a whole bunch of stuff and it just wasn't working, and so I just kind of like gave up and I stopped using the stuff. And I've just been using a cleanser. Of course, I bought a cleansing brush just so I could like really get in there. So I bought the cleanser, the cleansing brush. I have been using these toners. These have AHA, which is an active ingredient. I've also been using exfoliators and a moisturizer. Sometimes I'll use a serum, sometimes I'll use an eye cream, but that's pretty much it. I've been keeping it like super simple. Look at me talking and not doing anything. I've been keeping it super simple, and it's actually been helping. So I'm thinking of just keeping it like that so that I can actually like keep this under control. I do get a few, like right here I have one right now, but everything else is like just dark spots from the ones that I had, so it's working pretty well. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in 1W1 Bone, by the way. So speaking about the products that I had purchased for my skin, I bought a sunscreen because I did already have one from I think it's like the Goop or something like that. So I was using that for a while, but I feel like it was very like silicone-y, and then on top of that, whenever I would try to like put my foundation or my concealers and stuff, it would end up like pilling throughout the day or just as I was applying like my products. So I didn't really like that, so I ended up buying the Innisfree one, and I feel like it's doing the same thing. So I don't know, if you use sunscreen, which you should be using sunscreen, and it doesn't do that for you, like I would really appreciate it if you let me know what it is that you're using, because I'm really struggling to find one. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Merit concealer just for some spot concealing, and then I'm gonna brighten the under eye with the Benefit Born This Way. So for contour, I'm actually gonna be using the Iconic London. This is in the shade Medium Shadow. So I don't know if you remember from my haul, it's this kind of like little thing. It has a powder and it has like a cream. I just used the cream, to be honest, because I really like the cream. So it's pretty small and like thick, so I just kind of take it on my sponge, which is pretty beat up too. A little goes a long way. I'm just gonna take some off on the back of my hands and go to 10. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. This is in shade 05 Fair. For bronzer, I've really been loving the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. It's super soft and subtle, but it's buildable. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm gonna be using this shade in blush, and this is from SheGlam in the shade Good Vibes. So I actually did film a entire video on the SheGlam products, but I bought the eyeshadow palette from them, and some shades were good, some shades were like super patchy, and it literally like ruined the entire like look. So the video was no good. And I actually was supposed to sit down and film it again, and I never got around to it, but let me know if you want to see that. I actually bought like everything to do a full face. I'm also gonna go in with the Wet n Wild loose highlighter that I usually use. I feel like this highlighter will like last you forever. And I forgot to put my primer on. Great. For eyebrows, I've really been into like pencils. This one is from Wet n Wild in the shade Soft Brown. So usually what I would do, like for work and stuff, if I want it to be a little softer, I will just outline it with the pencil and then I will fill it in the rest of the way with my powders. I want to actually see what this is. I got this from She Glam also. It's like a soap brow type thing, I guess. I guess you're supposed to put this on before. So I guess you just scrape it and then brush it on to keep them in place. But I guess this would be like smart to use before, so that the eyebrows are like laid down and stuff. Okay, I thought it wasn't recording. Woo. It's happened to me, guys. It's happened to me. This is the Merit Volumizing Pomade. This one is in the shade Brown. I'm gonna use my P. Louise base. We're gonna try to keep the eyeshadow a little more on the neutral side, just because I want to try both lipsticks on, to be honest. It doesn't really matter, you can use whatever palette, but this is my Morphe palette, the collaboration that they had with Jacqueline. Super beat up. So I'm just gonna focus, like I said, on like the more, I don't even know where to grab it so I don't mess it up, on the more like neutral shades. So funny story about my nails. I've always hated like pink polish, and I've always, like, whenever I go to a nail salon, I always tell them like absolutely no pink, like ever. But my birthday is actually coming up, and I just like, I got into this like super girly like vibe, and I was like, I want everything pink. So, and then I went to her yesterday actually, and I was like, can we do like every shade of pink? And she was like, okay. But yeah, they're like super cute. And then this one is like super pink. And I'm just gonna line my eyes. I've like really been into like the wash over the lid, like nothing too sharp. It's like super subtle, like it's there but it's not like there, which I guess it's fine depending on your preference and how comfortable you are with lashes. Now we can jump into the lipsticks, which is what I'm excited about, to be honest. I'm gonna line my lips with Frenchie from Morphe, just so the lipstick doesn't like slip, because it is so hydrating. We're gonna do slip. That's funny. So slip doesn't slip. So I'm gonna try this. I'm so excited. It's so moisturizing and hydrating, like I just want to keep just putting it on. It's beautiful. I feel like hands down like this would be it. So I usually do mix like two lipsticks and stuff to get like that perfect nude, because usually like brown nudes usually wash me out or just make me look like super like dead. But this is, wow. Alright, I'm gonna try Cabo just to see it, but this has really convinced me. I need to wipe this off. I'm gonna use the same lip liner, and then we'll try that. So now we're gonna try Cabo, which is like this beautiful brick like red, or it's more like a terracotta. Ooh. This is really nice. And perfect just in time for the summer. Amazing. I really like slip. Just like it's more me, but this is definitely a beautiful pop of color. It's like muted, but it's very bright. It feels almost like a lip balm from how hydrating it is. I really like it. Alright. It's like a nice alternative to a red. I like it a lot. I'm actually gonna mix this one with the Merit lip oil. Oh. So like I said, they're very like known for their whole like minimalistic less is more, and the fact that they were able to give you this pigmentation without being so like heavy and coated like other lipsticks, it's really nice. It doesn't stain your lips, it's not drying, my lips aren't like falling apart. This is amazing. 10 out of 10. I like it. So I am just more of a nude type of girl at the moment, so this is it for me. I really do like the Cabo pop though. You see, now I'm like thinking about it. Should I put Cabo back on? But no, we're gonna leave it here. Now we're gonna spend all day just switching back and forth, and we're not gonna do that. I really like this. It's really nice. Not only is the packaging beautiful, but so is the actual product. 10 out of 10. Amazing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me on the day of my birthday if I have enough time. Anyways, check Merit out. I'm gonna leave my link down below if you're interested in using it. I would greatly appreciate it if you do. If not, you can find Merit at Sephora and on Merit's website, which I will actually link down below as well, just to make that easier for you. Subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell for whenever I do post another video. You're notified and you're probably the first one to watch it. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions or any feedback. Follow me on Instagram at _by_Bybella. Thanks so much. And follow my TikTok. Thanks so much. I greatly appreciate it. I will make sure to put it on the screen so that you have no excuses. Thanks so much. Bye. I'm excited. Okay.